day. I hope there's something I can do to undo all that disrupts you. Yeah. Let me reconnect with you. Are you missing me? I'm one call away, so don't you worry. Cause I'm always there whenever you need me. Don't stop, cause you got your friends and family. Live it up and we gon' conquer the world every day. Don't stop, we got each other, come on, babe. I know that there will be better days, so live your world anyway.
We're together, we are much stronger. And yeah, we're gonna conquer the world every day.
When we're together, we are much stronger. And yeah, we're gonna conquer the world every day.
Ang biggest achievement namin sa amin dalawa ni Anton is yung nananatili yung relasyon na meron kami mula umpisa hanggang ngayon. And yung biyayaan kami ng dalawang anak is a blessing na po talaga. Tapos, marami challenges. Marami na rin kami pinagdaanan ng muntik-muntikan na rin hindi kayanin. Pero syempre, third party namin si God. So, kapit lang kami sa taas kapag nararamdaman namin na pag ang isa sa amin mahina, so syempre yung isa naman matapang. Kinatapos